Hey guys, my name is Praise, aka Praise FX, and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the MetaTrader4 app on Android platform. First of all, you go to Google Play Store and download the app, and then you launch it. This is how the app looks like. That's the background. This first tab is the quotes tab. Here you see different spreads and different currency pairs like the Euro USD, the GBP USD, the USD JPY. So these are the spreads. First of all, before we continue, you click at the top menu, manage account. Here you can add your account, your existing account with your broker, or you can also use the account created automatically but for you by the MT4 app. You click on the plus sign here. You can either open a demo account, you can log into an existing account. So you click on open a demo account, then you search for your broker. Let's say for example FXTM. There you can sign up for the demo account here by adding your personal information like your name, your phone number, your mail address, the account type, the leverage, and you make a deposit. I sincerely recommend you use lowest balance possible so that you get used to your losses, as a newbie in the business. So let's go back to the first tab, which is the quotes tab. At the top there you see a plus sign. There is where you can add currency pairs which are not already added on the first quote. Let's say we want to simply add Euro JPY. You click on it and it's already added to the first quote. The next tab is the chart tab. Here is where you can trade. You click on the small clock at the top there. You see different time frames for trading. We have the M1, the M5, the M15, the M30, and so on and so forth. You figure it out. At the top too, you can see an F sign. That's the indicators. You can add indicators and it's going to be down here. So let's say we want to add an indicator, Bollinger Bands. You can see, you can choose a color for it. Done. You see the green lines here? That's an indicator. That's Bollinger Bands indicator. Moving on to the next tab. This tab is the trading tab where you see an open trade. Let's quickly randomly place a random trade and see how it looks like. Let's see, we open a new order and let's say we just buy and just see how it looks like on the MT4 app. This is the trading tab. You see, it shows me if I'm in the money or out of the money. Here we just play that trade anyway. We didn't really analyze that, so I just wanted to show you guys how it will look like. You can close it. So the next tab here is the history tab. This is where you get to see your balance, how far you've traded and how much you currently have. So this is basically the MT4 app, and how it runs on Android is pretty simple. The aim of this is to help you trade confidently on your own and get used to the app. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Once again, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if this is your first time on my channel below, and click on the bell to turn on the notification so you can also leave a comment below. Alright, it's your boy Praise. I'm out, and I do hope you guys have a beautiful day.